Değerli misafirler, kıymetli izleyenler.
Distinguished guests, participants, welcome to SAHA Academy Talks. From proposal to production, an AI-powered ERP system for defense industry suppliers is the name of the project now. I'd like to invite DOS Defense Vice GM, Mr. Mustafa Aydın, to the stage now. Hello. I'm Mustafa Aydın. I'm a mechanical engineer. I've been in defense industry for about 8 years. In metal production, we had different procedures, and in these procedures, we had a chance to see the deficits in the sector, and we realized that there's a need for a better program to serve the sector, and it should come out of the practice of the sector. In SAHA MBA program, I shared this as a project. Let me share, by the way, what the project was about, and I'm going to show you what the distance that we traveled. So it is for the defense suppliers. Proposal preparation and production is going to digitalize with an AI-powered system, because the whole process starts with the proposal to the delivery. The software to be produced should analyze technical drawings and solid models, and it should create the dimensions of the material, and it should identify the production methodology based on AI, and it should basically kind of propose and create a workflow. ERP integration is not just about the order or procurement. It includes and unites all of them. The proposal preparation is shortened with this project. The problems and the needs that we had is that, in the proposal preparation in defense industry, the job is done manually mostly. And our observation was that they worked on an Excel file, and after the approval, production planning and project teams are informed, and it's integrated to another system. And the same thing is being repeated by multiple persons, and this is what we wanted to prevent. And the proposal periods take a lot of time. In the companies that I worked, we used to receive like 7, 8 proposals from different companies, and we needed to respond fast to get the job. We have inconsistencies as well. I give proposal, another supplier gives proposal, and as it does not go through the pool of a system, there are some inconsistencies to remove. It's difficult to find trained personnel, especially in the mid-size SMEs, and these personnel ask for high salaries, and this is kind of a cost on the boss. So if the proposal is prepared on Excel and transferred to a system, data is lost as well. It could be deleted from a computer, or sometimes it is impossible to reach the data, and this creates a lot of operational inefficiencies. We need a fast, standard, accurate, and sustainable process, and it should be AI-based, automated, and integrated. This is what we needed, and we worked on that, and we basically offered an automatic analysis system that uses AI. The material operation and production parameters should be automated, again, with a visual operating system. The production should be put in, and a cost should be associated with that. Automatic cost calculation and standard proposal preparation is kind of standardized. quality management system, accounting, customer management, supplier management, all of them are produced via a single system. This is what we wanted to do. And in the production procedures, MRP and MES supported traceability was needed. I mean, we thought we could activate MES on top of MRP as well, so I would know which bench is working with what kind of efficiency. Using past production data, we basically give a message that you have produced this material before and you have seen this kind of cost and this is what you should know. So in most cases the producers do not know what they did and how much loss did they suffer from in the previous one. We needed to create sustainable production infrastructure as well. So from proposal to delivery, we needed to manage the systems. Technical details or technical drawings and solid models are going to be transferred to the system. The dimensions, tolerance, coating, paint operation info is going to be automatically differentiated. We would offer better prices. With this integration, the stock procurement engineering is going to be included as well. In companies, in stocks, a lot of raw material is accumulated in the stock, and that is a loss for the company. And when the next job comes in, there is no system that offers the raw material in the stock. Our system does that. So it is going to work with human approval mechanism. It's not going to basically create proposals on its own. It's going to present the proposal to the approval of general manager, for example. So the data privacy is important. So not everyone going to authorize everything. Pilot practice and accuracy, speed and cost performance are going to test the system. What's our roadmap? Needs analysis and data collection. So the data set and preparation of the infrastructure, visual processing module is going to be prepared, AI and process selection, ERP modules preparation, ERP, MRP, MES integration, pilot works and test procedures, live usage and promotion of that. So I had presented this and I basically put it into work. I created a team. I dealt with data collection and I dealt with data set and infrastructure. We are still working on visual processing module improvement. We created AI, ERP, MRP and MES systems. We are working on MES, by the way. Pilot practices and test procedures have been completed. In 6 companies, the system is operational, but we did not promote it yet. What is the result? This project is compliant with ISO 9001 and AS 9100. I'm going to show you the video now. We have the quality management system in the video from proposal to the delivery. We kind of made it local, and with this one you're going to have better approval procedure. It has financial reporting infrastructure, so it basically makes sure that the procedures are efficiently managed. So in the cost and reporting, it brings a lot of advantage, and the number of personnel is going to be improved as well. This is all that I have to say. Let's see the video now. It starts with the control screen. We have the Forex data and the announcements of the company, and the system could be customized based on the needs, and it brings all the important data in a single center. In the sales and marketing modules, the proposal procedures are managed, new ones are created, the old ones could be archived, and all the steps of the operation could be followed via system. In the detail screen, we could have meeting notes, operation info, and workflows. Operation cards could be created on the system and they could be printed, and with the square code support, the procedures in the field could be followed easily. In the reporting screens, in a given period, piece-based transformation conversion rates and profitability data and customer analysis could be observed. And in the part management, revision procedures and technical drawings could be recorded, and with that all the procedures could be systematized. And in the production follow, we have plannings. Once the technical approval is provided, they are automatically included in the production plan. When necessary, with user intervention, they could be updated. And in the project follow-up screen, procedures could be followed project-based. In the capacity management part, the production capacity in the system could be done based on the bench. It could be a monthly basis or annual. In the live production screen, we can see the real-time situation of the parts. In the customer management module, customer profiles and satisfaction surveys are present. With that, the customer feedback procedures could be managed from a center. In the accounting part, payment procedures could be followed, and likewise, we can have date-based reporting, and we can have total costs and other analyses. And within the system, we have the material management module as well. In the supplier management, we can see the profiles of the suppliers and their performances, order performance, and in line with other criteria of the evaluation, they could be analyzed. In the order management screen, you can basically manage the screens. You can create demand forms, and they could be printed out from the system. In the inventory management, we see stock management and inventory movements. In the field management, we can basically see the humidity and temperature data, and the data obtained from the devices used, they are transferred to the system frequently, and the conditions of the environment are followed in real time. So in compliance, DART procedures and the job follow-up could be done. Any inconsistency could be taken under control with the system. In the equipment management part, the production benches and equipments could be followed, and critical situation of the equipment could be followed. Their maintenance and calibration dates could be followed. If it is nearing, for example, automatic notifications could be created. In the team management screen, we can see the team numbers and usage information. In the calibration procedures, devices are listed separately based on their period. In the HR module, we have the user and personnel modules. We have performance management, training recordings, and certifications. The demands on the day offs, they can be seen on these modules as well. With all these modules, from production to quality, from operations to HR, all the procedures could be followed via a single platform in an integrated manner. Thank you very much. When we hit the road, we were not planning to create a comprehensive program as such, but as we saw more needs of the sector, we looked into how we can diversify and make it kind of cheaper, and how we can resolve issues in the sector. We expanded. We integrated a device into the system. We put it into quality room, and every 15 minutes it measures humidity and temperature, and it transfers them to the system. So this is the recording. The personnel entry exit could be followed. If you have it, the system, you can integrate it to this module, to this one as well. So you can basically authorize entries and exits as well. We do things like that, and you know, it is operational in 6 companies now. We have sold this to them. If you want to talk in detail, you can contact me, or after the program, you can just find me. This is all that I have to say. Thank you very much.